In this video, I'll show you how to buy and send someone BTC on Cash App for the first time. Before you start, make sure you have some money in your cash balance because this is what you'll use to purchase Bitcoin. Your cash balance is displayed at the top of the screen, and you can easily add money from your bank account if you don't have enough funds. The cash balance also allows you to transfer money back to your bank whenever you want, making it very flexible for your day-to-day financial needs. Once your balance is ready, tap on the Bitcoin tab at the bottom of the screen to access the Bitcoin section. Here, you'll be able to see your current Bitcoin balance, the real-time price of Bitcoin, and detailed charts showing price changes over 1 day, 1 month, or even 1 year. You can even drag your finger along the chart to see historical price movements and get a better idea of how Bitcoin is performing before you make your purchase. To buy Bitcoin, tap the Buy button. You can choose one of the preset amounts, or tap the 3 dots to type in your own custom amount. For example, if you want to buy $15 worth of Bitcoin, type in the amount and tap Next. Cash App will then ask you to verify your identity by scanning your face or using other security checks to make sure it's really you. It will then show you the order details, including the small transaction fee. Keep in mind that the larger the amount of Bitcoin you purchase, the lower your fee percentage will be, so buying larger amounts can save you money on fees. Once you're happy with your purchase, tap Confirm, and the Bitcoin will be added to your account instantly. Your new Bitcoin balance will appear immediately, and your cash balance will decrease according to the amount you spent. Now, if you want to send Bitcoin to someone else, tap the button next to Buy and Sell that says Send. You can either select a contact from your list if they already use Cash App, or enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address manually if they are using a different platform. After entering the amount you want to send, review all transaction details carefully, including the fee and estimated delivery time. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm to send the Bitcoin. The recipient will receive it in their wallet, and your Bitcoin balance will update to reflect the transaction. If someone wants to send Bitcoin to you, tap Receive, and Cash App will provide you with a unique wallet address or QR code that the sender can scan. This ensures that the Bitcoin goes directly into your account, safely and securely. Using these features, you can buy, send, and receive Bitcoin quickly and easily, making Cash App a powerful tool for anyone getting started with cryptocurrency for the first time. And that's how to buy and send someone BTC on Cash App for the first time.